So right after the holidays, right after Christmas, our phones start ringing in the tax office, and people start calling and wanting to get estimates about their expected refund for the year, right? And we just want to quickly give them a rough estimate and tell them to bring in their documents without having to go through and actually enter in all the information, because you know it's going to be different than what they tell you. So how do we do that? In our program, what we're going to use is the Quick Calc. Quick Calc is an estimator that allows you to quickly give somebody an estimate of their tax refund. You don't have to put in all of the information, just the basics, and it will spit you out a very accurate federal refund. We don't estimate on the state, but we will estimate on most everything within the federal refund. So if we click New, we're going to type in a bogus social security number here, and we're going to pick our filing status. Would you like to enter the personal information? This is where you can customize it if you wanted to charge for estimates and actually put in all of their junk. In my assessment, it's faster to just do the tax return. So I'm just going to say no, I'm not going to enter in all of your information. I'm just going to put in your age to make sure that you're within qualifying age of any credits. And would you like to enter dependents now? Did you have any dependents? Yes, I did. I had 2 of them. So I'm going to enter in number of dependent children. I'm going to enter in number 2. It automatically assumes that they qualify for EIC because I haven't entered my income yet, and they qualify for child tax credit. It asks you if you want to enter dependent information. Nope, I'm just doing an estimate, so I'm going to skip over that. Obviously, you need to know if they're of appropriate age to qualify for these credits. We're going to say that they are. We have that information, so we're just going to click Exit. And it takes us to an abbreviated W-2, only asking for wages, withholdings, and any qualified deferrals. So I'm going to put in that we had $15,800, we had $1,580, and we had $1,505. Go ahead and click OK. If you had 2 W-2s, just click on line 2, and you can enter in their other W-2. And we're done. Hit Enter to exit the screen. Do you have any other income? If you do, go ahead and click Yes, and it'll pull up basically grouping them under categories. So if you have income from a Schedule C or Schedule F, you could put it there. If you have all other earned income, that's kind of a catch-all. And if you wanted to break it out into more specific categories, you can click on this arrow and it will give you the types there. But we're going to skip that. We're going to say it's a real basic tax return. Go ahead and click Exit. And it tells us right there. Obviously, this is pre-fees, pre-tax prep fees. But their gross federal refund based on the 2 dependents and the $17,300 that we entered in income is they're looking at a $8,952 refund. So in roughly 7 screens, we were able to tell them their refund. You can use that same refund or that same estimator entry over and over again, just changing basic information. So it's a fantastic tool, and very, very easy to use, and very, very quick way to give your taxpayers a rough estimate of what they could be expecting back. Hope that was helpful. Keep watching the videos. Thanks.